Hello and welcome to today's physics problem. The problem in our hand is, we have a staircase whose each step is 10 centimeters high and 20 centimeters wide. We have to find the minimum velocity with which the ball should be projected so that it clears the staircase and hits directly the lowest plane. To solve this problem, we need to understand that step 2 is the critical corner. We need to clear this step both vertically and horizontally to come up with the solution. To reach step 3, the displacement along the y direction should be equals to 2h. Initially, there is no vertical velocity, so uy equals to 0. Acceleration in the vertical motion will be acceleration due to gravity. Therefore, using second equation of motion, we have y is equals to uyt plus half gt square. On substituting the corresponding values, we have 2h is equals to half gt square. On rearranging and solving for t, we get it as 2 root h over g. Since each step was 10 centimeter high, which is also equals to 0.1 meters, therefore t is 2 square root of 0.1 over 10, which is 0.2 seconds. To reach the lowest plane, the ball should clear step 2 horizontally as well. Therefore, the displacement along the horizontal direction, which is 2w, has to be completed. The ball was initially moving along the horizontal direction with the velocity u. Acceleration in the horizontal direction will be 0, and by using the second equation of motion, we are left with s is equals to ut since a equals to 0. On substituting the values, we have 2w equals to u into t. Since the width of each step was 20 centimeter or 0.2 meters and time we calculated as 0.2 seconds, we have 2 into 0.2 is equals to u into 0.2. Upon solving, we get u is equals to 2 meters per second, which is our final answer. Therefore, if we project the ball horizontally with a velocity of 2 meters per second, the ball will clear the 2 steps and hit the lowest plane. So this is it for this video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.